Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your composition so color work sits on solid footing. Open your comp, match frame rate and resolution to the source, then import footage and place it on the timeline. Once done, add an adjustment layer above your clips and name it. This keeps grading non-destructive and organized. Make sure color management is correct for the project. It affects highlights and saturation. Now you're ready to apply the very first color tools and masks that will shape the look. You'll perform primary correction to balance exposure and white point before stylizing. Add lumetri color or separate color correction effects on the adjustment layer, then adjust exposure, contrast, whites and blacks to recover detail. Once you have a neutral baseline, tweak temperature and tint to correct white balance. Use masks or tracked mats to isolate faces or skies so adjustments affect only intended regions. As you work, toggle before slash, after to confirm improve. You finish with creative grading. Introduce curves and color wheels to push mood and contrast, then refine hues with HSL secondary for selective color shifts. Once satisfied, add finishing touches like subtle grain, sharpening, and a vignette to unify the image. Export a short test render to confirm how the grade holds in the final codec. If colors shift or clip, check project color space, applied LUTs, and your render settings. Correcting those solves most final stage problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.